소각기 genzichoine tene kozap tene teyobena ani shuksa degre shura chechwaini ani shabat zo ya to bachara kage de tomba ha bechara ani kunju chikchile yon dusi chedong suen chilya chapya re ryu ani phagele shura phero jela odi shwaini
Namaskar. Good afternoon. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Rigzin Genkang. I'm the representative of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and the Central Tibetan Administration to the EU, Western Europe, and the Maghreb. It is an honor for me and my colleagues here to welcome you to this very special and intimate, exclusive screening of Wisdom of Happiness, a film by Barbara Miller and Philippe Delacroix. So this film was first world premiered in Switzerland in October 2024. And since then, it has been showcased in many different international festivals, and it was also selected for a screening at the Cannes Film Festival. As some of you may know, Tibetans and our friends across the world are observing this year as the Year of Compassion to pay tribute to His Holiness the Dalai Lama's 90th birthday. And this screening is also part of one of the many events that Tibetan communities across the world and the offices of Tibet are organizing. Wisdom of Happiness is a documentary featuring His Holiness the Dalai Lama in a rare, direct dialogue with the audience. It offers guidance on inner peace, compassion, and hope, delivering a timeless message, especially relevant to the current global climate. We are also deeply grateful for the support of Richard Gere, long life friend of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, and a dedicated advocate for human rights and Tibetan culture, who has served as the executive producer for this film. And his role adds an extra personal layer to this film. So as the lights go off and the film begins, I urge you to listen with your mind and just let this be a viewing to a world that we can all build if we each chose to live compassionately. Thank you once again for being with us this afternoon in celebrating this milestone. Kuzab number de Himayimbe, Raju Chige Topore, Pipinda somebody just lay shuada and number to sama very tone and razo mimana bala ni mixi and they would when you long the person to one this would you shubani and need to do that away mazo tanelo chamzelo sunzi shunangi and long is here can be to step sampanaya mi sampanaya ani susu nami tomba kölece ani kuyango tane başı ngaranzo mire moregi da chamzelo na ani kamulu che bomba tubiachi karena tubidoe ani mansama de bashironas ne de dichi shude chonso ani nama sama yang ya de pebde tuchena ani lonye tobo yo de shude tuchena